Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's Nobina Pal, student of first year MSc Nursing in AIMS Mangalagiri. So today we talk about for last 3 to 4 months strategy and how you start your preparation for AIMS MSc Nursing entrance exam in 2025. So I come here today that you all know that only 3 to 4 months are left for AIMS MSc Nursing entrance exam. So I hope you all are taking preparation. So first thing that many of you are asking me that ma'am, we did not take preparation before, we start to take preparation for now, so how can we start our preparation? So first of all, that in just 3 or 4 months it's not completely fine to take a preparation. So it needs a huge times and consistency that you gave from previously or some previous months. So first thing that I came here to help you that who are already taking preparation, that for those children now how they strengthen their preparation and how they boost up their preparation, and also for those that who have previously some level of preparation, not that much, but they starting want to start now from this month or from January February. So for them, how they complete their syllabus or how they practice from now. So let's start and see what we learn from today's video. So first thing that first you have to understand your level of preparation still now. So for that I make a Johari window for you, that you all know that how Johari window work, right? First there is 4 compartments that are open area, blind area, hidden and unknown. So like that I want that you make now you are in which kinds of area. So first of that, try to increase your open area as much as you can. So if your blind area is more or your hidden area is more, then try to increase your open area. So for that, first try to make your own Johari window. So first you make that first quadrant is important and strong area, means you know that which subjects are more important or which topic are more important, and this topic is already you are doing mastery on this topic, so this is good for you. And the next part is the important, you know that this is the important topic. In previous year there are lots of questions from here, and from another exam they asked many questions from this type of topic, but you are neglect each and every time, and this is a not strong area for you. So next give focus on this area, so like management, then research. So this is a blind area, we know that these are the most important area after the nursing subject, but we don't give too much focus. So try to give focus and try to improve this part. Next, not important but strong area, so classify your preparation or take some topic that which you know that these are topic which is not asked in question too much, but you already do the mastery on this topic, so try to avoid to read this topic because now there is very less time, so no need to give time on this type of topic. And next, not important but not strong topic, so if you are not read this type of topic and you know already this is not important one, so okay, no issue, no need to go through this topic, just there are very few time is there, so please try to give focus on first two topic. So now first try to classify different topic under these two sections, like first is important and strong area, mainly most of the nursing subject like medicine, psychiatric, pediatric, OBG community, these are nursing subject, these are important, you know, but before exam it is not possible to read all of the subject very elaborately. So already you started to take preparation, so try to make a list of the important system or topic from medicine, important topic covered from the psychiatric, pediatric, OBG community, like that. And after that try to find out that these all are important options, so is this already you do the mastery on this topic or not. So if it is a strong area for you, then it's okay, just you read or practice this topic. But if this topic is you know that important but you not learn too much or you neglect each and every time, then it's time to go through this topic very well and try to do mastery on this topic as well as you can do from in last 3 or 4 months. Next is the important topic but you don't read previously, like some subject like non-nursing subject like anatomy, physiology, psychology, sociology, biochemistry, nutrition, microbiology. So these are the topics, some are the topics come from microbiology, biochemistry, they are the important, okay, like cultures, okay, different types of sensitivity tests, there are too many. And in nutrition also there are some topic like from vitamins, minerals. So from this type of topic are important, each and every time they give some 1 or 2 questions, but we most of the time we neglect because we don't get too much time to read this, because we give all of the focus in the nursing subject. So try to just now there are 3 or 4 months, not too much time is not there, so try to give some focus on this subject. Try to make a content, like there are too many videos or there or already you are purchased, and no issue, they will give you some level of idea that which topics are important from this type of subjects. So try to get a revision from this your if you already make a notes, or no issue, you can make a notes again, now there is 3 to 4 months for you. So after you divided this topic in two part, next you what you have to do, first you do daily preparation practices for this, and daily do the question solve, so it will give you a more motivation. And if you give exam daily, then it is also help you to solve the question in exam. So now for who are taking preparation, it is good for them, because I think now they have grown up some level of confidence. But now who are freshers, their exam is completed just 1 or 2 months ago, they don't get too much time for preparation. So for that, I tell them, just go through your all of the subjects you read, you're in fourth year, make and different this all the subject list wise, like which you love the subject and which you don't love, and which is the important in exam and which is not. After that, try to make a Johari window, which I tell now, and then try to improve your stronger and focused important area which you already neglect for all the time. So for them who are starting just now, so there is not too much time to read the textbook, because from previous video I'm telling too much that go through your textbook, make a notes from this. So this is not possible to read all of the textbook. So start to do daily 100 MCQ practices. Okay, it you can practice from any books you have, any online series you purchase, no issue. From anywhere you get the exam, you can give this, no issue. This question is like not set or not like not set, it just give you the idea, and it help you to build up your confidence level. So the next thing, start giving mock test daily. So many students ask me that from where they start to give the or purchase the mock test. So for my time, I purchased these from NNL. So there is one plan MSc course is there, just 2000 or 2500 like prices. So you can buy the plan MSc. It is only MCQ based question is there, not you can't get a content, just you get the test series. So you can give daily exam, because there are too much question series is available. So from now you start to give daily mock test, then you can understand your level of preparation. And daily mock test also help you to recognize that you are able to finish in time or not, and how you especially decrease your negative marking. Because in exam, the most we do the negative marking, we do the right answer as well as we do more the wrong answer. And daily revision from your notes. So if you make some notes from starting, then daily revision as much as you can. If 4 times 5 minutes enough for you, then okay. If it is not enough for you, still now you are not able to remember, then you need more revision. And daily try to learn each new topic which is still now important for the exam, but you not go through like that the non-nursing subjects, especially the nutrition subject, microbiology, some topics they are very important. So try to give focus on this subject. So there are now 3 to 4 months. So I think that this is enough, that if you do practice more as you can, like from target hyper or the fancy index. So try to divide your whole day in some hours, like some hours you will read or learn the new topic, some hours you will give for your revision, and some hours you give for your daily MCQ practices, and some 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes for your mock test. I think it is enough, that there is 3 or 4 months is there, you can easily able to build up your confidence level. So this is a short video for those who are trying to boost up your preparation level. So bye everyone, and thank you for watching the video. If there is any doubt or any question in your mind, you can ask in my comment. So take preparation, and best of luck all of you.